PLI 2004. This underground drill hole was programmed to confirm mineralization north of the 775 underground level northwest wall, proving the continuity of high-grade gold mineralized zones on top of the Plomosas system on this level. We will present the main geological units and structures for this drill hole. From 87.9 to 99 meters, we observed an andesite crystal tuff. From 99 to 102.3 meters, a hydrothermal breccia, polymictic on a chlorite hematite matrix. From 102.3 to 142.2 meters, we observed an interesting iron oxide altered fine grain andesite, hosting a quartz, chalcopyrite, galena, sphalerite, strongly developed stockwork system. From 142.2 to 144.1 meters, the typical Plomosas breccia, composed by subangular clasts, is supported on a massive galena sphalerite replaced matrix. From 144.1 to 148.6 meters, an iron oxide altered fine grain andesite hosting a quartz, chalcopyrite, galena, sphalerite, strongly developed stockwork system. From 148.6 to 159.5 meters, an andesite crystal tuff hosting some quartz, galena, chalcopyrite, sphalerite veinlets. This unit represents the bottom of the mineralized trend. This interval represents 60 meters of a continuous mineralized zone as the main intercept. However, the drill hole continues presenting interesting mineral and alteration assemblies, finishing at 229.5 meters depth.